Welcome to Driven by Me and and tonight we will continue where we left. So if you are new to this series, what I'm working on right now is this. It comes from this tutorial right there. Master UI panels and pop-ups. You can hear the dogs. That means my mic and video. Yeah, you can hear the dog. Sorry for that. I need to set up NVIDIA broadcasting. Now NVIDIA broadcast. This is okay. I think it works. So this is the tutorial that I'm modifying, so you can have this. The result of this it's in the GitHub project. There you have all of the stuff I will be playing around with. And yesterday I was stuck. I stopped at animating the button, and what I was looking for, I found it right now, and it was to put everything that's hovered into the alpha at one here. So just to iterate, this was doing this. So now what I want to do here, we see the rounded square. If you have this, it's the rounded. It means that one of your hovered is rounded box, and if you want to remove it, you pick image. But the thing is, I don't want to do this on all of them, so I will go to the base, which is this. It's a copy here, base picture button. I drag and drop the base, the widget blueprint here in this main menu widget blueprint. So I want this. This is the still in the config, but it's there. So I will try to find. Is it there? I think not. I think it's rather there in the button. Scalable button, hovered. There we go. You need to put this, and I want the picture every time, not border. Picture. I want the tint to be one, everything to be one. But by default they inherit from button, open button, and they inherit this value from open button, which I don't want. It's gray or what? Okay, all one, and I would do this for everything here, like this, rest. And I will change them as I please, as I want them to be later, but just after that. So I will go fast. I copy, paste, And what else? Compile if you want to see it here. Now here the thing is I need to revert everything, I think. Was in config. Normal. So it doesn't seem to work there. Lot adding, no. It's really in config. Appearance. Let's go back there. Why would it put it in config? Do I have another thing called config somewhere? Well, I will leave it. The border. I think it might be in the graph. Okay, here we have a deselect style that the guy put in. So, but on the select style, we would have to modify this here. Oh, it's there. I think that's the config we see exposed, because you see all of them there, editable on each instance of this blueprint. So what we see config there is the config here with the override here. Okay. So what we want to do is there. This is something I said yesterday about blueprints. When you want to find, but when you know that's how it works, it's easy. But when you're a newbie, you don't know where it might have been modified. So now I will modify to my preferences. I might return back later on if I want to modify the behavior, because this is the select. It inherits from base button, I guess, but I'm not sure, because I see it inherits from because. Can you hear me? Yes, the chat. I didn't test the chat. Let's open the chat. So I see inherit. Oh no, it doesn't. If I had like the little arrow, it would mean that it inherits from something like I modified, and now I want to put the example. Yes, let's test the chat first. Hi. Thank you, the driven. Now YouTube again is not here with us. YouTube accounts. What's wrong, YouTube? Why aren't you there with us? Thank you. I don't have a it's a I don't have a live stream. Yes, I have one there. Let's go and test in the chat. Lol. What? I have a stream. We currently do not have an active public live stream on YouTube. Go live and we'll connect to the chat in a couple of minutes. Automatically click to go to your YouTube live dashboard. Okay, it wants me to go to the dashboard. There you go. There you go. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We know. We already know. Now everything is up and running. So I want to set the default button, the scuttle button. Was like I think the best one would be maybe this warning, or maybe an apple. The question mark, maybe. I think I would put like something not that scary. Something is missing. Something is missing. Yeah, I think that can do it. So over normal. Let's compile. Let's see. So here, this one went out. As you can see, the little white square down around. We don't want this. And it's rounded box. Now they all have the right setting almost there. Wonder what can I do with this? It doesn't show up. So something is missing. This is the select style. Why can I don't can I? Oh, it's because since it construct the button, it want it to be deselect first. Okay, I could make this into wonder where it comes from. This it's not a variable. Okay, it's this one. Okay, this would be the select style. Okay. So the guy made a select style, a deselect style, and he made a hovered animation. But we have hovered there. That's the difference. I think we don't need anything here. Let's try. Yeah, no, it was needed. So the deselect needs this. What if I only put the alpha 1? Okay, compile, play. Oh, it works. So it's hovered by default. I want to go in the base button. There. At least two. No, not the base button. Main menu. And let's say this one I want to I want to revert everything. Still killed it. So the width of the right was 100. So I want to keep it for later. I want to disable everything. Everything. Oh no. Oh no. And I want it to be by default. And the parent. And the abstract, not the abstract, the original. It's an abstract because it has no pictures that is usable except the question mark to indicate that it's not usable to me. Question mark. So no other revert. You can, if you are there, you can write in the chat. Oh, I see no one connected. Woof, woof, woof. Doggy is at it again. So everything is clean. Woof woof woof. Woof woof. So when the dog is like in loop, I just give a little tap and the dog is gone. I think she thinks the dog answered the yapping because she only yapped at her dog's side. And when I tapped, she dropped on the couch. She flew away. She flew away. Don't know what she thinks. Is she afraid? This one I will need to do. I probably setting this flag to true allows this widget to accept a focus when clicked or when navigated to. Yeah, that's important. It's sometimes you have a keyboard gamepad and you want to move the menu and the focus will tell you where you are at. Sometimes with the keyboard you can do the same. Okay, everything's fine. Control S. Now I want them all that way. So I will need to duplicate, rename, copy the name, delete it. Oh, doggy again. It wasn't long. She went back to her favorite. Her favorite. Nope. I think when I will build it, I hope at least when I will build, it will check the name of the variable. Duplicate. Nope, 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 nope. Duplicate this one. Duplicate. Rename. Copy. Delete. Rename. Past. He didn't like it. But I hope that when I will build back this BAITGTCH, it will continue. I want it up. I want it there, there, and quit. I want it last. There. Copy. Compile. Is there an error? Is there no error? Okay, we can go. So now I want them to be working right away, but from here. So where is focusable? Fuck us. Able is able to fuck up. Won't say that. Okay, so did it work? Nope. This one is not its interaction in there. It's usually so this one is like how do we say, is disobeying. It doesn't want to obey. we force it. So the one what we what we do, let's check one by one. The padding, there was a padding, I forgot what it is. Let's enter anything. Compile, look at the menu. Oh, yeah. We need the size. So the size, where would it be? Oh, it's in the graph. No, this is the fail alignment, it's not the size. It's this one. So it was 100, if I remember well. Compile. Compile. Yes, it works. Yes. Beep, 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 beep. But the padding. Okay, I think it didn't obey the focus because something else is overriding it, maybe. Maybe one of those. Fuck. No fuck. Fuck. Who's doing that? Who's doing that? There is no frack. No frack. Maybe we need to tell it what to do. Tell what to do. Set focus. Focus model. Nope. Set focus. Target. And can I tell him what focus to do? Okay, I cannot because now it will set the focus on every button. That's the problem. That's why. But we can try to see what. No, it's not that. That's just the actual current focus in the game loop in the live game. I want to set that is focusable. Or could say set is focusable. Okay, but that's not what I need. The it's not the border, it's the button. Border button. Oops, my fingers are dyslexic. Not yet. I want to set. Area set is focusable. Nay. Set is focusable. It's not a boolean. So it's not on the button. Interaction. What is it there? Rock is in the button and it's set to for rocking. And also this one. But I want to it to focus on the button. Interaction, compile, and it's not focusing. Someone is playing with it somewhere, but it's in the button. As we see, it's either in the button or in the blueprint. But I don't want it to focus on the blueprint, I want it to focus on the blueprint. The blueprint. So it has to be like interaction maybe. Take it in context, no. I think it's maybe. What is this? This is made by the guy. The tutorial I just shown you. Yeah, it's to focus in his system, using his system to focus on it. It doesn't make it focusable. set is say well, it's not a boolean. Not a boolean. Oh, maybe let's try. Are you kidding? It worked. It worked. It worked. Because this, I seen that it's not in there. This variable is not in there, so I guess it's like embedded. It's base in the probably in user widget. Let's take a look. Or the parent of the yeah, it's there. It's a const. Okay, no, this is a getter. A getter because it comes there and it gets a boolean obvious focusable, and then we can set it so the variable is not there. It's in maybe in the parent sets is whether where are the variable in this huge mess? No, just kidding. It's disable. Yeah, maybe it's in the parent. I'm not used to okay, it's a define of this. Okay. The class in the return. Where is the struct? There is a mini class in there. Struct. So user widget. Go up. Start there. Okay, the parent is this interface. There's an interface attached to it. So the parent is huge. I'm in the CPP, so I want the header. So in the header, so it's really in the widget, user widget. So it's in there, hidden. That's one thing about Blueprint. Another thing about Blueprint, maybe they could show the variable that are in the header file here. Okay, this is done. What else? Let's put the picture in. Let's put the picture in. There. This one there. Yeah, I'm selecting it. Base picture button. Yeah. This. So selected style. What would we want? So as we seen, it needs to be hovered. I think. And the tint, this needs to be image. This needs to be. Didn't we put this already? Will it override it again, and again? 111. Compile. No, it's thick like butter and milk. Now when I hover, it doesn't work. It does not work because not main menu. It showed this. Let's clear it. Play. Oh, deselect is okay, it's already there. Oh, that's why. Let's put 0. Let's play. Okay, now it's transparent. So the deselect style, this works. And now when I hover, it's here. So I would need to add this, put it at 1, and then just be sure. Yes, now I want it to be animated when hovered. And this is in the animation that the guy is sitting in here, hovered. And to have this little thingy animation, you need to be in designer and view, no, Windows animation. Now I removed what he put there, so I have my own. What I want to do is to make it a bit bigger. Probably the button. Where's the size? I could play with those hovered back the foreground just to see if it's weird because it should work, it should do something, but doesn't do anything. So the sizes are not there. It's yeah, it's the size is the there is the size box, but the yeah, it's this one. Oh, so we can okay, but where does it come from? This is it happier if I compile? No? So it's really like just those two. And I don't want to, I don't think if I change them it will animate. I'm not sure, we can try, but I don't think it do that. So this number is the one I entered there. Let's see if that's the case. Yes. No, I cannot change it from here. Only from here. So yeah. So if you want to add the others, it's like I think it's not integrated. The guy I had did this, and it's not integrated. Something because there is only those two. It says the child layout. It's in the child, so they all have anything. All have something like that. Child layout. Okay, if I want to, can I resize this? Like let's say I add key animation. Now I bump it up, double the size. Key animation, compile, over. Oh, it works. Wow. And it squished the other one. Well, I found the thing is it grows from the corner. I want it to grow from the center. So let's try to find this. This is the anchor. We want to change the anchor. The anchor. Hanky. Hankman. Hanky. Button. So the anchor. Where is he? Default on click. Okay, one quick way to BT to do this. No anchor. What? That's not possible. That's impossible. It has to be somewhere specific. Oh, there. Okay, there's an H. Is it? Let's try again. Maybe it's the base panel anchor. I cannot see which one is chosen. I think this is the base panel anchor. Is this? Oh. I don't know what it is. Oh no, it's no. It seems to be the box. The box itself. Yes. But now the box is off. It's not the same. Why? Okay. Because it's now something else there. Yeah, I picked the same one. What? Oh, I'm on play. I'm on play. Okay, this is right. I just need to place it like something like that. Yes. Yes. But still grow from the corner of this box. So maybe we need to go in the base panel. Welcome back to the base panel. Welcome back. It's been years. It's been years. Where is your anchor? Look at my anchor. I went to the hospital fixing my anchor. Where is your anchor? They grabbed it from you. They sold it on the market. Where is it? Anchor. Where is your anchor? You don't have any anchor? So it's in there. We have no choice but to pick the anchor. What would it be? What would it be? Oh, it stretched them out. It stretched them out. Yeah, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Eesh. And we go back to the basic. Like this. Okay. We go back to the basic. And it's still centered. I think it's the flower there. We need to grow the flower like this. Nope. Nobody dope. Not at all. It's not that at all. Where? What? Oh, doggy, no. Doggy. Maybe in the center. Doggy. Still does the same as HIT. It still does the same as HIT. Oh, flower back to the hood. Oh yeah, I remember. It needs to be minus 100. Minus something in the center. I guess it's 50. And minus... why don't we put this to 0? 0. And minus 1. I want it in center first. Let's try it in center. Nope. Something is fixing it on the corner. Is it the canvas? Or is it the body slot? Okay, it's the same. Guys, to content, it collapses. Disappeared. Alignment. Evil versus good alignment. Yes, this works. Except that it goes down. Maybe like that. Yes, this is it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Look at this. Now it doesn't stick to the corner. Like when I did this, the corner stick there and it drew in this direction, but now it drew from the center of the picture. Yes, that's cool. Your game is cool. You're a magician. You did magic. Your game is cool. The Scott is telling me the game is cool. I want to play your game. Now we need to move everything. I don't know if this one does something. Let's just putting it some. It doesn't seem to do anything at all. Nope. It doesn't do anything at all. So we might just as well put it there. No, okay, it defines where. Let's put the 0, 0. Where would the 0, 0 be? 0 is 0. It's the center. So I'm gonna put it there. 0 is 0. Maybe there. Is 0 is 0. Compile. Your game is cool. Look at this, is the wrap. It's doing stuff. It's doing stuff. I feel like more like this. Yes. Okay. Next, I would like to add some boof to the boof here. Anchor. This would be the boof woof. What happens if I put them everywhere? Yes. But yes, but not enough. 20 now. Let me think. 20 maybe? Oops, my arm pressed. It feels like the top. You don't see it, but it feels like the sides and the top is not enough. Like the top would be 30. Now this, it's a bit too much. 25 like so. I think the sides, two sides. Now compile, play. Yes. Oh, it's a bit too much maybe, but I think it's fine. Let you see. No, Look at this. I think it's fine. Now it's time to put the real deal. Let's put the... I lost all my windows. Okay. Let's put the real deal in the menu. Now it's time to put the real guys in. The real gaijin. The thing is, I want to see the question mark here, right now, in this situation. So how to do this? It's to go in the brush, I think. And the brush is in the pudding. The brush is in the pudding. The brush is in the pudding there. The brush is in the pudding. I lost my question mark. I lost my question mark. I lost my question mark. No, I didn't lose it. It's there. Oh, you surprised me. Compile. Nope. It's not in the pudding. The brush is not in the pudding. Brush is not in the pudding. It's not in the pudding. It's not in the pudding. It's not in the pudding. So we can clear this now, since it's not in the pudding. What did it do if I play? Nothing. Nothing. Maybe. Let's see where it's add this ingredient to the pudding. Never. You never touch this pudding, so I will do it myself. Set the brush, set the power to the brush, powder brush. In brush, set brush in brush, border brush. Border brush, carburetor structure. Let's put it in the pudding. What if compile? It will be transparent flow. Let's put the pudding. Now let's see the pudding. It works. It's there, but the size is like exploding. Yes, but it's not the same paddle. The same pedal. What if I play? There are two now. That's not a good idea. There are two question mark. So it shouldn't have the should have this. I think I will leave it. No, because I wanted to have it there, but that's not working. Because now in the play I have to. But the thing is, I want to get rid of this one because I want to play with the style. The style allows me to change color and everything. This one won't allow me to do this. But I can do it with animations, but it will be too much trouble. Clear. Maybe leaving the white thing there. Nope. It's horrible. Maybe leaving it white, and then when I arrive with the nope. Make it that way, and when I have a button, I know that this is wrong, but I need something more wrong than wrong. More wrong than that. There's another one. It's like different from everyone. Is it this one? Maybe, I think it's the last one. Yeah, it's this one. Or this. Why do I have many of them? Well, oh, it's look into my computer. What? Okay, game, third party, UI, Sun. Okay, this one is good. This one not good. What's that? Get ignored. Yeah, it's the old. I want the one in third party. Am I a good place? Where? Let's go do this to me. Do this. Now, when I have a button, I know that I need to hide this. SH. The dog disapproved of my SHI. So I need to do a little tap. Another tap. The dog is gone. Little doggy. Little scared. Because a little tap on the wood floor. Poor doggy. Poor little doggies. Oh, this one too is 0. And now I can use my button. A woof woof woof. And now I know that this one I just hide, but the others I need to replace. Doggy is enough. Doggy. Appearance, accessibility, border brush. It's those one. So I know that this one. What? Where is my pooper? Where is my poopy? Hovered? Where is my poopy? Hovered? Yes, this one. So there are none in this selected style. Okay, I didn't press yet. I didn't press. So I will add the selected right away, which is in the, not in the panel. No, we don't need the panel anymore. Stop it. Stop. Selected style. Go. Opa, selected style. Web, 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 web. Opa, selected style. Web, 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 web. Opa, selected style. Oh. Right. It's this one, yes, and then click there. It's a bit long. Unreal has some misses. It's there. It appeared like magic. It appeared like magic. So let's try this. I know we don't have pressed and anything else, but let's try this. Okay, we need to add our own now. Are we gonna do this? So this is quit. I have the quit button there. There. Compile. Play. Quit button is button. Quit button is working. The thing is, I need to correct things later. But I want to show you the magic. So you see, quit it button. I like the squitch. I like the squitchy. I like the squitch. Magic. Now, next button. This is the setting button. I have a setting button selected. Now bring this to 0. It's done. Ting. Let's do the other one right away. The play button. Where is the play button? Not the YouTube button. Damn. Play button. Come on, play button. Where are you? Where is the play button? Where is the play button? Where is the play? There we go. There you go. Compile. Yes. The squitch is weird there. It makes some weird stuff. Yes. I think the sides are too close to. But when I had, it's like from here to there, but it adds up there. That's the issue because I need to add there So it could be another padding. Needs to be another padding than the button padding. We need another padding, and it would be like the horizontal box padding or the body slot padding. Padding? Where is the padding? Do I have padding? Miller 10 10. No, it's outside the bar. It's outside. No. So it's not that. It's inside there. Oh, there's a padding in the body book. It's a padding in the body book. Nope. Nope. Let's check it out. Nope. So, body slot, nope. Why do you do this to me? Why do you do this to me? I need to... This log. Maybe it seems to work, but it made them really small. But that looks good. Makes them really small. Doggy. I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. I want to give you a look. Oh, it disappears when I click. Oh, yes, Sir Miller. Yes, Sir Miller. Okay. I might not need. Oh, the other dog is added with. The two dogs are yapping like crazy right now. And the other dog doesn't answer to my knocking. It's like now it's no way. So the issue with this right now is that it squashes the here. They both have to be the same. I want to make it bigger. If I can have a good thing that oh, now the dog is yapping like crazy. Never been so crazy. So that's it. That's it for today. We come back later maybe, because I want to do something new after work with you. And I was learning about it. Oh, I forgot the press button. Yeah, the press button. So next we will look at the procedural map. I want to create the. I want to create the Minecraft, like not Minecraft but procedural map, so it generates the house. And I found a couple tutorial that I can look up with you. And it's PCG or scripting. I will reflect. The thing with PCG, it's fine because the generation is done. It can slow down to be generated. I don't know yet. PCG, I would need to look up for, but I guess that it's similar to Blueprints, where it will be slower than C++ itself in some kind of way. But this is just an hypothesis. I may be wrong. So now to press the button, the Scalable button and the press button. Select where is the press and and all of that. SHI. I won't say the last T. This select, press the button. You're telling me, okay, they just removed the red, but why isn't this applied? Like, can't I? It would be the wrong one. It would be the wrong one. It's getting slow now. I want this one. And then tint. Maybe I can put it some kind of. What? We'll try. I don't like it. I would thought like something more like this. Clear. And maybe like 8%. I don't know, 8%. Maybe you would make it transparent or something. Just try like this. Now I know it will be a question mark. No, it didn't work. It's not. Maybe it's because of this one. Let's try. because I've seen some trouble with it elsewhere, and I'm not sure it's this. Hey, Mister, not working. So it's not this one. It's not this pressed button. It was 0. No. This one was oh, Doggy's yapping again, but now it's someone in the house. Okay. So it's not depressed. So it's not in there. Is it in the deselects pressed? Maybe. Maybe. No. Okay. Compile, play, press. Yes, it's this one. Now I want it to be like flashy. Maybe the yellow. Let's go with the flow because it picked yellow like randomly. Let's see. I like to go when the random give me something. No, it didn't do anything special. Be clear, greener. Something like this. The yellow was too dark, even though it's light. No, it makes it darker. It makes it darker. Why is it making it darker? Press. This press doesn't work. Doesn't do anything. What was that? It makes a weird noise when I hold the button. Oh, the thing. What happened there? What is that? Okay, it's grayed out. I did make it darker because this is the color at base color of the picture. So anytime we will move this up, it will add darker color, darker hue. So that's a bit bad. That's a bit bad. Maybe if we do 0. It's totally red. The other way around, maybe. Just green. Yes, this one. I think you need to like 100 value. It's better looking than light white light. Let's try this one. What? I didn't compile. Compile. What? 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 He's like, no way, I don't change anymore. Leave me at that now. It's too good to be true. Leave me green. Because I think it's only remove the channel. That's why. Like, but now it doesn't want. It doesn't want to be blue and green. Like the blue. What's wrong with blue? Why don't you want to be blue? Oh, it's dark. It's real dark blue. So it's as if there are no blue. Turquoise. So yeah, it's only like maybe 0.5. What do you say about that? It's still stick at green. It's like either or. It's either or, like, because it's yellow. Base color is yellow. So if I only put like 0.5, 0.25, the fourth. It's green. 0.2, right? Okay, this one it takes it, but this is natural color. And the opposite of its natural color is blue, so that's why blue is dark. That dark. What if? I think it does nothing, as I can see there. It's like gray, dark gray. So that's why I cannot put it, but I could go on the picture. Now, in the picture, I can change some stuff. You can see change. I could like lower the saturation. Make it more vibrant. Where is the Hugh Jackman? You can change a Hugh Jackman. I want it. Less gold, maybe. Wow. Okay, there's a shadow, that's why. So you could make it gray or something. Make it 0 like that, and then when it's normal you give it this yellow back, which is no blue. It's not that yellow, but it was like more orangey. I cannot see it because I have my other button menu. Let's add a new one. Nope, not a duplicate. Let's add base picture button. Look at it in the project. Go back, delete this sh. I can't because there is a little catness. And then I will add the button. Let me be free. Like this. Now I have no. I looped in the wrong one. So now I have this one. I can hide this. Play. Okay, that works. As you can see, it's yellowish. Now it's low. I put like pure yellow. I would need to try to read, but now I can change the color as much as I can. I lose a bit of the shading, but I can. The issue with that is I need to do this for all of them. But it's not long. It's just to know what you did. Modify. The thing is why did it didn't do anything on the other one? Because they are not white, they are yellow already. But I could try to get the same value a bit, and let's see. Compile. It's still too much yellow. I think it's like, oh, almost there. But they are getting worse because they get the value. Yeah, they get the value, yeah. That's what you can see. But I want to keep, if you want to keep the little darker area, you can go back in the picture. Where is it? You can bring it back. So the thing is maybe this. Yeah, maybe something like this. Let's try this. It's a bit darker, and the dark part, it's getting yellowish. Here it's orange. Here it's brownish. Look, it's more like oranges, and when I don't press, it's more like brown. So it's a bit hard to, if you are like want like to be precise. I don't like that it's orange so much. It's one part of those icons I don't like. I almost prefer this. It looks like the spoon. Everything else. But to do this, I would need to do the same for all the icons. And to do that, I need to stop this. Open the three and one. Three in the bright curves and one. I guess that if you want to keep the not brownish, you would maybe have to keep a little color in it, and maybe even change the hue depending on what you aim for. So it's a circle. The hue is a circle. So if you see, it's degrees. So when you go at the end of the circle, it's the beginning. And so if you want to go lower, than 0, you go up there, and you go lower from there. So that could help, maybe. Let's see. I will see for myself. No. So is it? No, it's not, but I guess that's the way to go. That's the way I would go to get the shadows less saturated. But what I want for myself is the 5, the 3. No, the 0, the 3, and the ugly. The 0, the 3, the 0, and the ugly. So how you do this on all of them? The 0, and the ugly, and it's adjustment, brightness curve. I will put it on side. I will go to my content browser. All of them are there. You select them all. You go on asset, sprite action, nope, asset action, and you look for matrix. It's selection and property matrix. The 85, you're sure that's big. Your computer will cry on your shoulder if you select them all. Now it was where is my text2 asset? Boo. No way, don't crash on me. Oh, what the hell? So this one goes there, this one goes there. And now we go into adjustment. Tell me if you find it. Oh, it's there. Since I modified one, they see them all. So it's 3. And it's 0. 0. Now you save and close. You close this. And now you see they all Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Okay. That was a backlash to Jennifer Lopez. First time she started to be known with there was a movie too. Who played this girl? Was it Jennifer Lopez? I don't think so, enough. I think, yeah, was a popular Mexican, I think, singer who got killed. This is when Jennifer Lopez started to be known. 1997. And Don't Cry for Me, Argentina. It was later, I guess. Oh no, it was before. So that's when she started to be known. Yeah, I remember. I have bad feeling about this because we played in school. We played the flute, plastic flute, and those were the song we had to play with the Titanic. And I think everyone my age in Quebec have a bad feeling about those songs because of that. We all had the angry music teacher putting a bit too much importance in flute playing, plastic flute playing. That's a horrible sound. So there we go. It's all set up already. I didn't have anything to do. I just want now the this one. I don't want it blue. I don't want it blue. I don't want it blue. Where is my button? My scuttle button. No one is talking on the chat today. Anyone? Let's do this. Now I need to look at it a little bit. Where is he? Oh, I don't like that it don't pop up. Seems fine. Now I need to go in the menu, and on each of them I need to go and add their respective icons. And I think it's not there, but it's there. So I will pick it up here, so I have it in my folder selected, and I will put it down there. Same thing for our friends here and here, and everything now it's done. I can go take a walk under the rain, and I'll come back with procedural map with you tonight. Let's take a last look to be sure everything's fine. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, how we have a game. It's fully working. It's fantasticos. I could play with this for hours. Just kidding. Thank you for watching, and see you tonight if I have the feeling to do this. The thrill, I have the thrill. I want to watch all the video I have about procedural beforehand, but maybe tomorrow if I can. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you. Oh, I forgot about sorry for the second live in Twitch. Forgot the outro.